Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we have to solve this rational equation challenge for the real values of x. So let's get started straight away by writing our denominators cannot be equal to 0. So x minus 2 cannot be equal to 0, x cannot be 2, x plus 4 cannot be equal to 0, so x cannot be negative 4. Now we'll take square root 8 minus x common from LHS. So square root 8 minus x, in bracket we need to write 1 over x minus 2 minus 1 over x plus 4. RHS is 6. We'll take LCM over here. So square root 8 minus x times, in denominator we'll multiply x minus 2 with x plus 4. In numerator we'll write x plus 4 minus x plus 2. In RHS we have 6. So plus x minus x will get over. 4 plus 2 is 6. We will write 6 times square root 8 minus x over x minus 2 times x plus 4 equal to 6. To remove or eliminate 6 from both sides, we will divide by 6. 6 over 6, 1. 6 over 6, 1. Equation will become square root 8 minus x over x minus 2 times x plus 4 equal to 1. As per restriction on x, x cannot be 2, x cannot be negative 4. We will cross multiply or we will multiply our equation by x minus 2 times x plus 4. We will get square root 8 minus x equal to x minus 2 times x plus 4. We'll write x minus 2, x plus 1 minus 3. We'll write x plus 4, x plus 1 plus 3. Now we have x plus 1, x plus 1. So let's write LHS in terms of x plus 1. We'll write square root 9 minus x plus 1. Now we will assume x plus 1. Suppose this is equal to u. X cannot be 2, x cannot be negative 4. So x plus 1, which is u, cannot be 2 plus 1, 3, cannot be minus 4 plus 1, minus 3. U cannot be 3 and minus 3. Now we can write our equation in variable u. Square root 9 minus u equal to u minus 3 times u plus 3. Now we'll talk about domain of this equation. So our radicand must be non-negative. This should be greater than or equal to 0. So u must be less than or equal to 9. From left hand side, if solutions are real, then u must be less than or equal to 9. Now from right hand side, our RHS must be non-negative, but u cannot be 3 minus 3. So it should be greater than 0 only. So from RHS we will write two conditions. U should be less than minus 3. U should be greater than 3. Now we will take intersection of u less than or equal to 9 and u less than minus 3. We will get u less than minus 3. Now we will take intersection of these two inequalities. We will get u should be in the interval 3 to 9. So we have two restrictions on or two conditions on u. For x to be real or u to be real, u should be less than minus 9, u should be in the interval 3 to 9. Now we will use difference of two squares formula over here. U minus 3 times u plus 3, u square minus 3 square. So we will write square root 9 minus u will become u square minus 3 square it will be equal to square root 9 minus u square minus 9. Now we have square root in LHS, so we will be squaring both sides. Square root and square will get cancelled out from LHS. We will write equation 9 minus u equal to u square minus 9 whole square. Now we will subtract u square from both the sides. So in the RHS we are going to get a square minus b square form. So we will use a plus b times a minus b formula and write u square minus 9 plus u times u square minus 9 minus u. In LHS, if we will take minus common, then we can write u square plus u minus 9. Now we will write all the terms to RHS. So we will get u square plus u minus 9 times u square minus u minus 9 plus u square plus u minus 9 equal to 0. Now we are going to take u square plus u minus 9 common. So we will write u square plus u minus 9 common. In other bracket, we'll write u square minus u minus 9 plus 1 equal to 0. Or we will write u square plus u minus 9 times u square minus u minus 8 equal to 0. Now we will be using product 0 rule. We will get either u square plus u minus 9 equal to 0 or u square minus u minus 8 equal to 0. We have two quadratic equations over here. We will be using quadratic formula to solve it. So let's begin with first quadratic equation. A is coefficient of u square 1, b is coefficient of u 1, c is constant minus 9. As per formula, u will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a. Let's plug in all the values of a, b and c. We will get minus 1 plus minus square root b square is 1 square 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 9 plus 36 over 2 times 1, so 2. So we have u equal to minus 1 plus minus square root 37 over 2. Two real values of u. Now we have to solve second quadratic equation u square minus u minus 8 equal to 0. So I will write u square minus u minus 8 equal to 0. Here a is 1, b is negative 1, c is negative 8. Let's use quadratic formula. We will get minus b, so minus of minus 1 plus minus square root of b square minus 1 square 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 8 plus 32 over 2 times 1, 2 will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 33 over 2. Again we have two real values of u. Now we will be writing all four solutions. So let me write here solutions first. Here it is. Now we will be writing approximate values. So first value would be 2.51 approximately. Minus 1 minus root 37 over 2 minus 3.51 approximately. 1 plus root 33 over 2 will be 3.4 approx. And 1 minus root 33 over 2 will be somewhere minus 2.4. Now we have conditions on u. U should be less than minus 3 or u should be in the interval 3 to 9. Now we have to cross-examine which u value we are going to reject and which solutions we are going to accept. So these two solutions are accepted. These two would be rejected as per our restricted list. So we will write u equal to -1 minus square root 37 over 2, and here we'll write 1 plus square root 33 over 2. Now u was our substitution, it is x plus 1. So let me write here x plus 1 equal to u. To find x, we need to subtract 1 from both the sides. So we will write x equal to -1 minus root 37 over 2 minus 1, and 1 plus square root 33 over 2 minus 1. So we are going to get only two real values of x. X will be equal to -1 minus 2 minus 3. So minus 3 minus square root 37 over 2, 1 minus 2. So minus 1 plus square root 33 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.